Ooh.
Nancy.
Cool.
Christmas time.
Wow.
That's a fancy style.
Oh, you're right. It is Fancy Nancy.
That's a Christmas one. Splendorific Christmas. What do you say to Mimi and Pappy, Serena?
That is to ride one horse open.
Serena, there's a message inside. I don't know if you saw it. Can I read it to you?
Yeah.
To Serena. Enjoy Santa. Enjoy what he left for you in New York. Play and play till it's time to sleep, Pappy. Lots of hugs and kisses. I would love to read this to you. Bring it to New York next time. We can do yoga too. Love, Mimi. Cool. What do you say?
Thank you, Mimi. You're welcome, Mimi.
And Pappy?
Pappy, take him. Pappy, you're welcome, Pappy.
Is there anything under the tree, Serena? Anything left?